Umalis ka na. Mag-resign ka na. I just come to realize we slowly become a reflection of the environment we choose to stay in. Because when you stay around long enough, it becomes a part of you. You see, when you spend a day in a fish market, even without buying anything, you just walk around for hours in the fish market, the smell lingers on you as you go out. But when you go to a perfume shop,
oh my God! Wow!
And when you go out of that perfume shop, you will still smell great because of the perfume. Ang hirap, besh. It's very simple, but you see, sana makita niyo yung point ko, di ba? Hindi, charot. So, when you surround yourself with people who always complain and has all this negativity in life, you will start to see what's wrong, not the things that's right. Diba? Pag nagreklamo lahat ng kasama mo, ikaw din. Mag-start ka na rin magreklamo. Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganun? Diba? You don't see the good in people. And when you start surrounding yourself with people who always make excuses, you will start to do things like, oh, okay, I'm just in this level. I don't want to exert more effort, or I don't want to do this because excuses, di ba? Lagi ka na lang may excuse. Kasi nga, yung tao sa paligid mo, ganun din ang ginagawa. You see? People will either inspire your growth or limit it. So which one you want? Fish market or perfume shop? Which one you want to stay in? Magrereklamo, di ba? Pag nagrereklamo lahat ng nasa paligid mo, nagrereklamo ka din, wag kang papatalo, besh, di ba? Saan na tayo? Netflix kasi. Okay, back to the topic. So, what I'm trying to say is, at the end of the day, basta, sa huli, they can do whatever they want, but how you perceive or accept, diba? Umalis ka na. Mag-resign ka na. I mean, it's up to you. It's always your choice if you want to stay in a fish market. Nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's your life choices. How do you want to live your life? Because environment will shape you. The people around you will quietly influence you. Pag nasa inuman ka, di ba? Iinom ka kasi nga nasa inuman ka. Huwag mong ubusin yung pulutan. Di ba? So, be careful when choosing your friends. The people you allow to enter your life, to share your time, Be smart, you know? Go with people that will inspire your growth. Diba? Hindi yung puro nagrereklamo. Ewan ko, ba't may mga ganun tao? No? Ang nega sa buhay. So how do you deal with those people? You just remove yourself. Like maybe distance. Para hindi ka mahawa. Diba? Bye na talaga. With people who has positive thinking, always grateful, you know, you will start appreciating everything in your surroundings, even a simple basta. Yun. Guess nyo naman, di ba? Yung sinasabi ko. No, the point is just surround yourself with people that can, you know, inspire you to grow, not to limit your capabilities or your, you know, di ba? Alam niyo na yun. Yun lang yung point ko. To think that, oh, it's okay if I just do it like this. Because excuses. So, at the end, you know, nasa sayo na yun, besh. Ang lalim. It sounded very simple, but people will either help you grow or will just limit yourself. It's up to you. Which one do you want? The fish market or the perfume shop? I will definitely go to the perfume shop. Obviously. Yeah. Gets nyo naman ako, di ba? May point ba? Sana nakatulong. Bye! You absorb what's in your environment, di ba? But if you spend your day with people who are grateful in everything, you know, you will appreciate life more. Even a simple thing. Papasalamat ka lagi. Kasi nga, positive vibes lagi yung surrounding mo eh. Diba? Yung mga tao, mababait. Diba? You will eventually change. You won't notice it right away. So, what will you choose? Where will you choose to stay in? The fish market or in a perfume shop? You know me. Where did I stay? Obviously. And then, charot lang. Sana nakatulong, diba? Sana na-gets din yung point ko.